This is episode 2596 of your daily meditation podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and welcome to day 4 of our series we're exploring this week. Our theme this week is Boost Your Confidence. You've been guided in meditations to boost your self-confidence, to boost confidence in others. And in today's episode, you're going to be guided in a meditation to begin to trust what's happening in the world. Regardless of outward circumstances, you can always tune into inner peace by focusing on what you hope for. And in today's meditation, you're going to be guided in a hope meditation. I want to ask you how your challenge is coming along. Every week we have a challenge that is aligned with the week's theme. So your challenge this week, you are encouraged to do every single day, is to trust yourself. When you begin to feel stressed or anxious, pause and tune into your inner stillness. Become very quiet, very still. And even if there's commotion all around you, you'll be surprised by a wave of peace wash over you. You could try it right now. Pause, become very still. And feel your whole body relax. Feel your mind begin to calm down. Beautiful. I'd love to hear how you enjoyed this mini break to trust yourself by tuning into your inner stillness. I'd be honored if you shared a rating and review of the podcast, letting me know how you're doing, especially these days with so much happening in the world. Are you finding some peace and stillness and hope from your meditation ritual? Your comments and reviews mean a lot to me. I invite you now to continue with that stillness, extending it a little more deeply and a little longer as you meditate today. I want to share an important meditation technique with you. I know many of you, this is your favorite technique. It is a mudra. Mudras are a way you position your hands that are considered to stimulate a corresponding region of your brain. For today's mudra, this is a mudra for confidence and wisdom. This is perfect for our theme this week. With your palms upward on your lap, touch your little finger and your ring finger to your thumb. That's it. Do this with both hands. As you straighten your spine and close your eyes, begin to tune into how you're feeling today. Always working with and honoring your emotions. Every day it's a different experience. Allowing yourself to calm your mind and body at your own pace. Some days this happens quickly. Other times it can take some time. Well, this is your time, right here, right now. You may hold your hands in this week's Pran Mudra for confidence and wisdom for however long you feel comfortable doing so, and do it throughout your week. When you begin to feel fearful or anxious, do this mudra. Mentally affirm this week's affirmation. I am limitless. I am limitless. Reflect on something you've been worried about, something out there in the world around you that may be causing you stress or grief, and just gently bring it to mind without going too deeply into the emotions that might be difficult. Observe where you hold this emotion in your body. Inhale and exhale through your nose gently. Now bring to mind something you are hopeful for in the future. Reflect on what you hope to accomplish. What do you hope for others? Keep this hope alive. Regardless of what's going on in the world around you or within your own life, focus on what you're hopeful for. Doing something every day to keep this hope alive. As you sit in stillness, reflect a little deeper and longer today. Listen to your inner wisdom. You are so worth slowing down for.